Hi everybody and welcome to the blonde hair problem. Now this problem is a great way to cultivate discussions with adult learners, children or even yourself about what mathematics is, what numeracy is and what kind of skills we bring to various tasks. Okay, so here's the problem, I'll read it out. After having many years to see each other, two friends who really loved mathematics, Hypatia and Pythagoras, meet again. They have the following conversation. Pythagoras: are you married and do you have any children? How many? How old are they? Hypatia: yes, I am married. I have 3 children and the product of their ages is 36. Now remember, product refers to the product of two numbers that are multiplied together. Pythagoras, after doing some thinking: I cannot figure out their ages. I don't have enough clues. Hypatia says: right, what if I told you that the sum of their ages is the same as the number of your address? Pythagoras, after doing some thinking again, says, I still can't figure out their ages. I need another hint. Hypatia: well done. I also tell you that the oldest has blonde hair. Pythagoras: aha. Well, now I can, without any doubt, figure out the ages of your children. What are the ages of Hypatia's children? Their ages can only be natural numbers. Now, many people look at that and they think, gee, it's not even a real maths question. There's a whole lot of irrelevant information in there. It's impossible to solve and so on. So we're going to work through it and see whether it really is impossible to solve and what kind of skills you need to solve it. So we know that there are 3 numbers, or the 3 ages multiply to equal 36. So we can write this as an algebraic formula. A times B times C equals 36. And what we want to do is find all the possible combinations that could be. So the next step is then to list all of the combinations of 3 numbers that multiply to equal 36. And as you can see here, there are 8 of them altogether. Remember, we're using natural numbers, that's whole numbers. And you can see there are 8 of them. These are all the possibilities of the different ages that Hypatia's children could be. For example, she could have 2 1-year-olds that would be twins and a 36-year-old. Now that we have our list, we move on to the next clue. The next clue is that those 3 numbers will equal Pythagoras' address. And we can assume that he knows what his address is. So he adds them all together in his head, astoundingly, and yet strangely enough, he's still not sure which 3 ages are the right ages. So we know that Pythagoras is unable to rule out all of the options based on the numbers. And if we look through all the examples, we can see that the number 13 appears twice, and therefore his address must be 13, but he still doesn't have enough information to eliminate 13. Now that we have the 2 possible ages of the children, we go to the final clue where Hypatia says, well done, I tell you that the oldest also has blonde hair. And therefore we know that there is an oldest. So that eliminates the ages of 1, 6 and 6 because there'd be 2 eldest. So there wouldn't be one older person, there wouldn't be an older person. Therefore, the ages are 2, 2 and 9 and the eldest has blonde hair.